Okay, so the purpose of this lost tab is to keep track of the bids that weren't awarded to you. It keeps account and has its value, but what it also does for you is to help you recapture the opportunities if it's possible. So all you have to do is change the status from status to recapture and hit update, and it will move to this recapture tab. The values over here in the name column are recapture 1, 2 and 3, and now I will hit update. Rows moved successfully, and it's being shown to me over here. The same principles follow over here in this recapture tab. When the opportunity you just recaptured, if there's a chance to bid on it, you will change the status and it will move to the opportunities tab. Right now the value is lost 1, and opportunity table has values 1 and 2, and I will click update. Rows moved successfully, and over here 2 of the rows have been moved, lost 1 and recapture 1. So that was it from this project, and the same values and principles follow in this awarded tab and all the other tabs.